Allahabad High Court begins hearing in the Gyanvapi survey case. The Muslim side says contradictory stand by the Hindu side. First, Hindu said evidence existed. Now, Hindu side is seeking excavation. The Hindu side has said excavation is needed, but not in Mosque. High Court judges question the legal stand of the Archaeological Survey of India. So that is, of course, the update that's coming in from the Allahabad High Court, which has begun hearing the Gyanvapi survey case. The Muslim side has said contradictory stand by Hindu side. They allege that first the Hindus said evidence was available, it existed. Then they said that they need excavation. Now the Hindu side has countered that and said excavation is needed, but not in the mosque. The High Court judge has questioned the legal stand of ASI, or the Archaeological Survey of India. We'll try and get in more details from my colleague Samarth, who is joining us live. Samarth, tell us more about what's happening in court at the moment.
It has been more than 1 hour since the hearing is on in the Allahabad High Court, and what we are getting to know that Naqvi, the Muslim side advocate, is questioning the Hindu side because they are saying that in the document, in the application submitted by the Hindu side, the application is contradictory. At one hand, the Hindu side claims that they have the sufficient amount of evidence to prove that it was a temple before, and again now they demand that ASI survey. If they have the sufficient amount of proofs with them, then what's the need of ASI? And then again the CJ asked Vishnu Jain to explain why he wants the area to be excavated. That to which Vishnu Jain clearly says that we have nothing to do with the mosque. We just want to do anything, the survey on the barren land of the mosque to prove that it was a temple. To which the Muslim side and the Muslim side claims that why not the Kashi Vishwanath corridor and why just the Gyanvapi temple, which is coming under the scanner of ASI. So this is something which is happening currently in the Allahabad High Court, and what we are getting that could be the reason the decision could come after the lunch. But what we are getting from inside, that there is discussion happening between, because Vishnu Jain is being on target by the CJ. They are currently asking Vishnu Jain what is the need of ASI in this. If you wanted ASI to be the part of this entire thing, why ASI was not made the party in this particular case? To which Vishnu Jain replied that ASI is a statutory body and that can only be helpful in providing the proof. That can't be the body as per the Supreme Court. So this is the thing happening inside, and to which the CJ jokingly asked that if the Allahabad High Court too comes under the radar of ASI, under the reign of ASI, that has been happening inside, while the Muslim side is kept on claiming that why ASI survey was not, or why not asked before, because in the application of Hindu side, they are at one hand they are saying they had plenty of information, plenty of proofs to prove that it was a temple, while in the second paragraph the Hindu side claims that they need the ASI survey.
Samarth, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.